Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you the, not so much the importance, but why it's a good idea to use some wooden stop stakes when you're first starting out with this. This machine, we just put a brand new blade on it because when I first used it about 6 logs ago, when it was brand new, I hit this. Ruined the blade, lost 5 teeth or so out of it. So anyway, no biggie. MechMaxx sent me some new blades. This is the 32-inch SM32. Today we're cutting some small walnut logs on here that'll be used for signs. You can see it over there. So that's why I have it attached to this 1x8 using some 3-inch deck screws. We'll take 2 more cuts off of this, and then the rest of it will either become project wood or firewood. But anyway, I've made these stop sticks to use when I'm doing smaller logs as opposed to these metal ones. I still have to use the log dog on this side, so I just got to watch for that. But I've made these in multiple different lengths for each one of the stop areas. And so for this area here right now, the one that's in there is actually, I think, 12 inches long. But I have Aiden here. He's going to be running the mill while I video this, because we're going to take an 1.25 inch slab off of this. And let's just say you're paying attention to your log dog over here and you know you're barely going to miss that, but you didn't pay much attention to your stop. So let's fire this beast back up. Take it away, Aiden. And here comes the backfire. Good old MechMaxx. So, as you can see, no damage to the blade.